I'm vacuuming the rug.
It's looking much cleaner already.
I'm folding the blanket.
The couch looks neat now.
There's a stain on the floor.
I'll mop it right away. I'm replacing the trash bag.
Great! The bin is ready to use.
I'm wiping the refrigerator door.
It looks spotless now.
I'll keep the door open for you.
Thanks. I'll clean it while it's open.
I'm making the bed.
It looks warm and inviting.
I'm cleaning the mirror.
It shines perfectly now.
I'm scrubbing the sink.
Try using this brush as well.
I'm washing the toilet.
The bathroom smells fresh already.
I'm hanging a clean towel.
It smells wonderfully fresh.
I'm mopping the floor.
Watch out, it's still wet. I'm sweeping the entrance.
I'll finish the outside area.
I'm dusting the fan blades.
Be careful up there.
This corner is full of dust.
I'll take care of it.
I'm vacuuming the stairs.
Take your time on the steps.
I'm sweeping the front porch.
It already looks much better.
Here's the duster.
Thanks, I'll dust the shelf.
The TV screen is dusty.
You're making great progress today.
I'm fluffing the cushions.
They look soft and comfortable.
I'm washing the window.
The sunlight is coming through clearly.
I'm wiping the coffee table.
Now it's nice and shiny.
I'm giving the plant some water.
It's growing beautifully.
I'm washing the dishes.
I'll dry them for you.
I'm cleaning the countertop.
It looks fantastic.
I'm sweeping the kitchen floor.
Sweep everything into the
I'm
dustpan.
cleaning the stove.
It looks almost brand new.
I'm organizing the pantry.
Add this item there too.
I'm wiping the dining table.
It's looking beautiful.
I'm wiping the dining table.
It's looking beautiful.
I'm drying the final dish.
The kitchen looks wonderful now.
I'm dusting the bedside table.
It looks tidy again.
I'm folding the shirts.
The closet looks well organized.
I'm opening the window.
The fresh breeze feels nice.
I'm organizing my desk.
Everything is in order now.
I'm scrubbing the bathtub.
It's becoming bright and clean.
I'm polishing the mirror.
Now you can see your reflection clearly. I found another spot.
I'll wipe it off.
I'm lining up the shoes.
The entryway looks much neater.
I'm dusting this shelf.
That picture looks perfect there.
I'm cleaning the light switches.
Nice! They look clean now. I'm dusting the books.
They look nicely arranged.
I'm sorting out this messy drawer.
Put the pens in this section.
I'm cleaning the large mirror.
It looks excellent, thanks.
I'm vacuuming the curtains.
The room feels fresher already.
I'm removing this mark.
The walls look spotless.
I'm cleaning the oven door.
It looks clean and polished.
I'm wiping the windowsills.
More sunlight can come in now.
I'm making some tea for us.
Thanks. That sounds perfect.
We've almost finished cleaning the house.
Great teamwork.
I'm relaxing on the clean sofa.
We definitely earned this break.